She woke up late today.
She woke up late today.
I had to put up with his rude behavior.
I had to put up with his rude behavior.
Can you turn off the lights?
Can you turn off the lights?
He ran into an old friend at the mall.
He ran into an old friend at the mall.
The children are playing around in the garden.
The children are playing around in the garden.
Please pick up the phone.
Please pick up the phone.
She called off the meeting due to illness.
She called off the meeting due to illness.
The teacher asked the students to speak up.
The teacher asked the students to speak up.
We should try to work out a solution.
We should try to work out a solution.
I need to check out this new restaurant.
I need to check out this new restaurant.
They broke up last week.
They broke up last week.
The company will cut back on expenses.
The company will cut back on expenses.
He needs to cool down after the argument.
He needs to cool down after the argument.
Let's meet up for lunch tomorrow.
Let's meet up for lunch tomorrow.
She looks after her younger brother.
She looks after her younger brother.
I'll catch up with you later.
I'll catch up with you later.
He ran out of milk.
She ran out of milk.
I will pick you up at 5 p.m.
I will pick you up at 5 p.m.
He has been dealing with a lot lately.
He has been dealing with a lot lately.
I need to fill out this form.
I need to fill out this form.
The car broke down on the highway.
The car broke down on the highway.
She took off her shoes when she entered the house.
She took off her shoes when she entered the house.
He decided to back out of the agreement.
He decided to back out of the agreement.
Let's go over the details again.
Let's go over the details again.
We'll check in at the hotel at 3 p.m.
We'll check in at the hotel at 3 p.m.
I'm really looking forward to the weekend.
I'm really looking forward to the weekend.
He tried to give up smoking.
He tried to give up smoking.
Don't give in to pressure.
Don't give in to pressure.
He went through a lot last year.
She went through a lot last year.
He passed out after running the marathon.
He passed out after running the marathon.
Can you turn up the music a little?
Can you turn up the music a little?
I'm sorry, I can't make it to the party.
I'm sorry, I can't make it to the party.
She set up the meeting for 3 p.m.
She set up the meeting for 3 p.m.
I'm trying to get rid of old clothes.
I'm trying to get rid of old clothes.
They will hand out flyers at the event.
They will hand out flyers at the event.
I'll run by my manager first.
I'll run by my manager first.
He showed up late to the party.
He showed up late to the party.
Can you look into the issue for me?
Can you look into the issue for me?
We need to catch up on the latest news.
We need to catch up on the latest news.
I didn't mean to bring up that topic.
I didn't mean to bring up that topic.
Don't hold back your feelings.
Don't hold back your feelings.
Please put away the dishes.
Please put away the dishes.
He doesn't want to give away his secret.
He doesn't want to give away his secret.
Can you make up your mind already?
Can you make up your mind already?
They looked up to him as a mentor.
They looked up to him as a mentor.
She took up painting as a hobby.
She took up painting as a hobby.
They need to work through their differences.
They need to work through their differences.
We should split up into teams.
We should split up into teams.
We can work out a better solution.
We can work out a better solution.
She broke down the task into smaller parts.
She broke down the task into smaller parts.
Can you pass on this message to her?
Can you pass on this message to her?
We have to come up with a better plan.
We have to come up with a better plan.
Don't leave out any important details.
Don't leave out any important details.
He decided to stick with his current job.
He decided to stick with his current job.
She turned into a successful entrepreneur.
She turned into a successful entrepreneur.
I need to get away for a few days.
I need to get away for a few days.
We need to stay in this weekend.
We need to stay in this weekend.
We should move on to the next topic.
We should move on to the next topic.
He came across some old photos in the attic.
She came across some old photos in the attic.
They brought about many changes in the company.
They brought about many changes in the company.
She always gets along with her colleagues.
She always gets along with her colleagues.
He looked down on others for not having his success.
He looked down on others for not having his success.
Don't put off your homework.
Don't put off your homework.